If you're currently looking into solar for your home, there are a few red flags worth being aware of. The first red flag is to watch out for huge discounts. If someone's offering a price that seems dramatically cheaper than everyone else, it's worth asking what might be missing. Low quality hardware, rushed installations, or limited aftercare can all be hidden behind a low headline price. Solar is a long-term investment for your home, so it's important to make sure the system's designed properly, installed carefully, and supported afterwards. The second red flag is being given a full quote without anyone ever seeing your home. Every property is different. Roof space, orientation, electrical setup, battery options, future plans. All of these things matter when designing the right system. A proper survey doesn't take long, usually less than an hour, but that short visit can make a huge difference in making sure the system you've quoted for actually works well for your home. The third red flag can be not knowing who you'll actually be dealing with through the process. Sometimes you'll speak to one company on the phone, but the design, installation and aftercare are handled by completely different people. That can make communication difficult if something needs adjusting, or if you have questions after the installation. With something as important as solar on your home, it's worth knowing who is responsible for the work, who you can contact if you need help, and whether the team installing the system are directly connected to the company you're speaking with. Taking a little extra time at the beginning is always worth it. If you're exploring solar and want honest answers to your questions, we're always happy to have a conversation.